Hello guys, welcome back my channel with a new video. Wow friends, see there is many color combination toy vehicles really parked here, and now I will hand drive all of these vehicles with my hand. At first is a military tanker, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is black and yellow color combination, and next one is a racing car, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this racing car. This one is yellow and white color combination. Wow, this one is a Tarzan car, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this Tarzan car. This one is pink, black and white color combination. And next one, wow, this is a R17 high speed bike, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this racing bike. This one is red and black color combination. Wow friends, see, this is a Spider-Man car, so I will try this one now. I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is red, black and green color combination. And this one, wow, this is a Honda, so I will try this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this Honda. This one is black and red color combination. And that is the last one is 911 police helicopter, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this 911 helicopter. This one is black, white and blue color combination. So friends, all of these toy vehicles hand drive and serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination toy vehicles.